just love the fact of learning a little bit about a new city. You get to hear some history, do some walking, and of course the eating.
I love the cultural aspect of getting to know a new place or country or city by their food.
Like getting to know the city and the culture. For example, when we were in one restaurant, a local singer came up and just started singing to our group, so that was amazing to see. And we wanted to do this as a way to kind of see the city, get our bearings, and kind of figure out where things were.
I like the fact that you were able to talk to the folks, and they seemed so engaged. Of the either the proprietors, I thought they just seemed so happy that we were there.
The people and the culture, and kind of get immersed in more of the local scene, not going to the tourist restaurants, right? So going to where the locals would go to have a beer, have some food. So that's been really great.
Because it's a great way to experience all the foods that you maybe wouldn't know about in a new place. And you also don't have to worry about navigating the city on your own. You can just kind of walk and enjoy and get history tidbits, and it's really interesting. Great tour guide, great food. It's been awesome.